Hello, everybody. My name is Roger, and I am the Senior Product Manager supporting the Application Performance Group. And today, this is our 15.10 planning video. In 15.10, the application team will be operating at approximately 70% capacity. In particular, Nicola will be away for 2 months on paternity leave. We expect to return at the end of 15.11 on April 15th. Our top priority for 15.10 continues to be Ruby 3.0. Our general focus as a team is shifting away from memory optimizations to exploring other areas of perceived performance. We're curious to see the results of some application profiling and to investigate real-time capabilities for GitLab. First up, Ruby version 3.0. We are currently on track for a Ruby 3 production rollout in 15.10. We have scheduled a hard production changelog on March 7th, 2023 for the SaaS cutover. This means that after March 7th, and indeed after 15.10 is released, we expect all self-managed users 15.10 onwards to be running in Ruby 3, barring any unforeseen requests. We are also time-boxing and exploration to identify cross-cutting opportunities to improve GitLab's application speed. We are assessing Google Cloud profiling for Ruby, and we're curious to see if there's any low-hanging fruit for optimization and improvements that we can identify. We will deploy this in 15.10, and if there's anything we can identify as an improvement, we will target those efforts in 15.11 onwards. The third topic here is to research an opportunity to expand real-time features across GitLab. This workstream is aligned with GitLab's product focus on usability. Real-time collaboration is table stakes feature for GitLab users. The team doesn't have much familiarity with this domain and will need some time to ramp up. There's two different types of real-time solutions at GitLab today for incremental real-time features and collaborative text editing. We are prioritizing a context transfer from the real-time text editing group due to a team member departure on March 16th. This means that other real-time related research will likely be pushed to 15.11. Our general outputs as this research is going to be some form of documentation to help people understand both how we are currently approaching this space and what we can do to improve and how people can contribute. Lastly, this is a stretch goal of some ongoing work that we've already started, which is to restrict access to Redis commands. Security continues to be an important facet to GitLab's product offering, and this effort will prevent default users from executing Redis commands tagged with admin, connection, dangerous, and other things. There are a few items that the team is closing out. Three in particular we wanted to draw attention to. First is GitLab's metrics exporter. So we're going to pause the rollout of this effort because currently we decided that there's not a lot of root cause for memory spikes that we're able to identify. So we're going to switch our focus to higher priority items. We've also spent some time fixing and fine-tuning our sidekick memory killer. Overall, we've reduced out-of-memory kills from 2,000 per day down to around 4 to 20, and there's a more detailed write-up available here of our efforts and impact. We recognize that sidekick is a very big topic, and there will likely be memory saturation issues cropping up again in the future. However, we believe our investments to date have put GitLab in a stable position, and so we're going to pause this work stream at this time. Lastly is the Puma long-term memory use investigation. We spent a few milestones exploring this space, and we still do not have a strong hypothesis on what might be the underlying cause. There also seems to be no longer any immediate pressing memory saturation issues for these nodes, and as a result, we will be winding down this effort in favor of other priorities. Thanks.